Welcome everyone. You must have given your practice upon the two previous videos of tense. Today we will read about the third kind of present tense, present perfect tense. Definition of this tense is the tense which expresses the actions which have been completed in present hour is said to be as present perfect tense. वे सभी क्रियाएं जो वर्तमान समय में ही पूरी हो जाती है, जो टेंस ऐसी क्रियाओं का वर्णन करता है, उसे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस कहते हैं. As for example, I have taken lunch. In this example, in this sentence, the work of taking lunch has been completed in the running period of time. अभी वर्तमान समय में ही मैंने खाना खाने के काम को पूरा कर लिया है. Next, the structure. Structure of present perfect tense is subject or doer plus has or have plus V3, third form of verb plus object. As for example, he has lost his pen. Here he is subject, has helping verb, lost the third form of the verb lose, and you will watch here there are two objects, his and pen. His is indirect object and pen is direct object. Students, how can you identify which is the direct object and which is indirect object? To get it, you have to give the question to the main verb of the sentence. What? The answer of your question what is direct object. As for example, he has lost his pen. What he has lost? Answer is pen. Whose pen? His pen. At first your answer is pen, so pen is direct object and his is indirect object. For the use of has or have, I have previously discussed as has will be used with the third person singular number, with rest of four persons have will be used. Now you have to make negative of such in affirmative sentences. The structure for making negative of the sentence is subject plus has or have plus not plus V3 plus object. As for example, we have not played the match. Students, you watch always in gender sense. Some of the students or some persons use not either before has or have or after verb. This is incorrect. The exact place of not is just after helping verb, has or have. How can you make the interrogative of such sentences? The structure for it is has or have plus subject plus V3 plus object. One example, had they joined the meeting? क्या उन्होंने मीटिंग ज्वाइन किया? Okay, has to make interrogative of any sentence, you have to give attention that the helping verb would be placed just before the subject and then the other form of the sentence would be the same. Now you watch the formation of interrogative negative. Structure, there are two structures for it. The one is has or have plus subject plus not plus V3 plus object. और पहले में तो हमने देखा कि not अलग से लगाया है. दूसरा भी इसका स्ट्रक्चर हो सकता है hasn't और haven't. not को पहले भी हम लगा सकते हैं एपोस्ट्रोफी के हेल्प से, हैजंट और हैवेंट प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस V3 थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. In present perfect tense or any of perfect tense, always you will use the third form of verb. Example is, has she not arrived yet? क्या वो अभी तक नहीं पहुंची है? यदि आप हैज़ की जगह हैजेंट का प्रयोग करते हैं तो बीच में नॉट नहीं आएगा. हैजेंट सी अराइव्ड येट. ओके. Now you will watch the use of present perfect tense. The first is the work. This tense, present perfect tense, is used with the work that had been started in past and is continued in present time too. वैसे काम के साथ इस present tense, present perfect tense का यूज किया जाता है जो काम past में शुरू हुआ था और present में भी ये continue है. As for example, they have lived in this flat for 5 years. 5 साल से वे इस फ्लैट में रह रहे हैं. It means they are still living. वो अभी भी रह रहे हैं. तो यहाँ क्लियर हो रहा है ना कि पास्ट में ये काम शुरू हुआ था उनका इस फ्लैट में रहना एंड इज कंटिन्यूड इन प्रेजेंट टाइम टू, कि वो अभी भी इसमें रह रहे हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट, दिस टेंस इज यूज्ड विथ दोज टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस which neither express the time of action nor the completion of action. Means ऐसी क्रियाओं के साथ इस टेंस का प्रयोग होता है जो न तो इसके समय को बताते हैं ना ही ये क्लियर करते हैं कि काम पूरा हुआ या नहीं. एग्जाम्पल, he has gone to America. In this example, it's not clear whether he reached to America or not. Next is with the work which has been completed just now. जो काम अभी तुरंत पूरा हुआ है. एग्जाम्पल, द बस हैज़ जस्ट अराइव्ड. अभी आई है. यू विल नॉट यूज विथ सच टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस सिंपल पास्ट, सिंपल प्रेजेंट और सिंपल पास्ट इफ इट इज पास्ट टेंस. नेक्स्ट इज विथ द एक्शंस विच हैव बीन कंप्लीटेड इन पास्ट बट द इफेक्ट ऑफ देम कैन बी फेल्ट टुडे. मीन्स ऐसी क्रियाओं के साथ भी इस टेंस का प्रयोग किया जाता है जो कि पूरा तो हो गया पहले ही, पास्ट में ही, लेकिन उसका प्रभाव हमें प्रेजेंट आवर में भी फील करना पड़ता है. इट कैन बी क्लियर विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस एग्जाम्पल. द लिफ्ट हैज़ ब्रोकन डाउन. लिफ्ट खराब हो गया है. व्हाट इज द इफेक्ट इन प्रेजेंट आवर, प्रेजेंट टाइम? वी हैव टू यूज द स्टेयर्स. लिफ्ट खराब हो गया है तो उसका प्रभाव क्या है? हमें सीढ़ियों का हेल्प लेना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट इज टू कन्वर्स द पास्ट एक्शन. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट एनी पास्ट एक्शंस टू एनी अदर पर्सन, वी शुड ऑलवेज यूज दिस वेरी टेंस एज वेयर हैव यू बीन? आई हैव बीन टू मार्केट. दिस इज a conversation between two. The speaker is giving a question, where have you been? In the present perfect tense. And the speaker is giving the answer, I have been to market. It is also in present perfect tense. Your next use is with such type of sentences. You will watch the sentences. The first is, this is the worst novel I have ever read. Another sentence is, this is the only book he has written. In both the sentences you will watch, both the sentences are of two clauses. In the first sentence, the first clause is, this is the worst novel. This is the form of verb to be. And the another clause is, I have ever read. This is the verb to do. Here, present perfect tense has been used. In the next sentence, this is the same. Another very important is the use of some adverbs. You will watch, some adverbs are used always either before, just after the verb or in the last. Such type of some adverbs are yet means अब तक, so far means अब तक और जहाँ तक, lately और recently means हाल में, late देर से, up to now, अभी तक, ever since, तब से, etc. आप watch करोगे, if you will frame the sentence or you will read such type of sentences with the use of these adverbs, you will get these very adverbs are generally, mostly, but always you can watch always that they are used after verb or in the last. Some adverbs are used before the verb. These are often, अक्सर, always, हमेशा, ever, कभी, never, कभी नहीं, occasionally, कभी कभी, already, पहले से ही. You will watch in the sentences these very adverbs that are used before verb. These are the different uses of present perfect tense, and the last kind of present tense is present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used for those types of actions which have been started in the past and been continued in present. ऐसे ये टेंस ऐसे सेंटेंसेस के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है जो कि पास्ट आवर में ही शुरू हुआ था और अभी भी कंटिन्यू है, चल रहा है. उसका प्रभाव हमें नहीं देखना है, बल्कि वो कंटिन्यू है, चल रहा है. The structure for this tense is subject plus has or have plus been plus fourth form of verb plus object plus since or for plus other words. Example, I have been reading for 2 hours. The work of reading has been started before 2 hours and is continued still this hour too. Now, how you form the negative of this very sentence? The structure for forming negative is subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus fourth form of verb plus object plus since or for. Example, she has not been playing since 4 p.m. Now you watch the interrogative form. The structure for interrogative form is has or have plus subject plus been plus fourth form of verb plus since or for plus other words. As I have told in the previously that when you have to make interrogative of any sentence, the helping verb would be kept before the subject. Here too you can watch the structure. Has or have has been used just before subject. Example is, have they been talking for 2 hours? Have is here the helping verb. They, subject, been is used with this tense. Talking is fourth form of the verb talk, and for 2 hours is not the certain period of time. This is the period of time, not point of time. So for is used. Now the interrogative negative form of this tense. There are also 2 structures for forming the interrogative negative of the sentences of this tense. The first structure is has or have plus subject plus not plus been plus before plus object plus since or for plus other words, if any. The another structure for it too, if you use the not before subject, then it will be used in this form, hasn't or haven't plus subject plus been plus before plus object plus since or for plus other words. Students, you will watch that present perfect continuous always bears fourth form of verb, as present perfect bears third form of verb. Okay, past tense, simple past bear second form of verb, and V1 or V5 for be as simple present tense. Okay, so now you watch the examples of these two structures. The first is, has Raman not been writing for 2 hours? Here we have used not after the verb, after the subject, or if you keep it before the subject, then its form is, hasn't Raman been writing for 2 hours? In this way, we have completed the all kinds of present tense. To get a good response only for few days, you have to give your attention or practice for its use when you are writing something or speaking something. Thanks.